What's happening, friends? Don here with Trotech Laser Hacks. Today we're going to look at some tips and tricks focused on improving your laser skills. Let's get started.
Our focus will be on exploring the differences between a single high-powered low-speed laser pass, which is excellent for achieving extreme depth, and running multiple passes to improve the quality of the final product. So let's dive right into it. To begin our experiment, I will use a Speedy 400 laser, which comes equipped with a 2-inch lens. Our laser parameters will be set to 100 power, 10 speed, and 1 kilohertz at 500 dpi. I will use a single laser pass to engrave a piece of solid cherry wood. But as we know, running a laser machine at full power and low speed can cause an excessive buildup of heat, leading to dark char marks on the wood. To overcome this issue, I have come up with a laser hack that involves running multiple passes at higher speeds to control the excess heat without reducing productivity. In our second example, we will use the same parameters as before, 100 power, 1 kilohertz, and 500 dpi. But this time, I will increase the laser speed 4 times, resulting in 4 passes at 40% speed. This approach removes 25% more material compared to our initial 10% test. Running 4 separate passes is an effective way to limit the amount of heat that builds up in the material, leading to a much cleaner and defined finished look, while keeping the processing time similar. This laser hack is particularly useful when the excess heat causes a loss of detail, such as with 3D relief images. For instance, I will run a 3D relief image at 100 power, 10% speed, and 1 kilohertz at 500 dpi with a single pass. Then compare it with the same image run at 100 power, 40% speed, and 1 kilohertz at 500 dpi with 4 passes in relief mode. The final results demonstrate that running 4 laser passes produces less burning and more details in the graphic, leading to a far better looking finished engraving with more defined details. After cleaning the engraving with water, the difference becomes even more evident and pleasing to the eye. In conclusion, this laser hack is highly advantageous when excessive laser heat causes charring, burning, or melting, and it results in a better final product.
Thank you so much for watching, and a huge thanks to Dave Stevens and our friends at Trotech Laser USA. You can find a link to them in the description below. Stay tuned for more hacks in the future.